Okay, this is part 2 from my last video on the Nokia Lumia 521 headset jack problem. Now this thing got worse. It's as usual, as I was saying, it was shaking like hell. I'm not getting any more audio out of the phone, so I'm going to be deassembling this phone, take it apart and see what is happening under the phone. As you can see, I've gotten right here. This is a problem. It's shaking, but this part is also shaking, so I'm not sure. I'm going to lift the motherboard up and see if I can see what's going on under here. So we have our motherboard removed. We're just going to be very cautious right here and put this one side. So this is a jack that has been giving a lot of problems. This one has gotten really bad, so nothing else can be done. As you can see, this needs a brand new jack. So needs a new one for me. Well, I've assembled back the phone in one piece. I think I'm missing 2 screws. I'm gonna go look for them. But I just gotta say a few things. This Nokia needs to... I don't know what they're doing, but they need to improve on this, because this is just crap. This that they put inside here is just crap, right? Got the phone last year, had it for about 1 to 2 weeks or so, right? And it's like, yo, it stopped working. This phone, I had it for 3 years. I don't remember when I got it, but I think it was in 2011 or so. I'm not certain. This phone, Android, the audio jack is good. It's very good. Had it for 3 years, no problem. But this Nokia phone, as I said, I got it last year for about 1 week, and it has it I don't know, I'm just saying, this is bullshit. They put into the phone is crap. This is on a flex cable. This is on a motherboard. It's on a circuit board. It is attached to the motherboard. So I'm saying Android does a better job with this than this piece of shit right here. Nokia needs to go back, sit down, start over what they're doing and make good quality Nokia phones, right? Because this is going to cost me a lot of money to replace this thing. It's going to cost me a lot of money, right? Someone post something on the internet saying that they had the same problem as this, right? They fixed it, within 1 to 2 weeks it went back to the same piece of crap. I don't know. Do better, Nokia. Do better.